Ma'am, your car needs blinker fluid. I'm sorry, but it's gonna take about 3 days for us to go ahead and get that in for you.
What about my blinker fluid?
Your blinker fluid's out. I'm sorry, ma'am, you need to go away. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. That's Cameron, Taylor's girlfriend. Everybody say hi. We're back here at the good old, infamous, wonderful Global Motorsports Group, GMG. And we are going ahead and installing a roll cage today. So, what does that entail? The entire interior coming apart. And Hector is on the phone, but that's okay. Here's the beautiful, lovely half cage. Oh, this is for Taylor. Please go subscribe if you haven't seen the channel. Thank you. But yeah, the entire interior gets to come apart on this puppy. All the seats, all the carpeting on the rear. They get to cut the carpeting and mount it in. It's a project, so bear with us on that. It's only gonna be like 4 or 5 minutes for you, but it's gonna be like 4 or 5 hours for us. So we just got off of a new rally, and for new rally, we installed all the 1016 carbon fiber, the Dundon Wing Porsche Club Association Racing, or no, these are the RSR mirrors, I'm sorry. We installed the Porsche RSR mirrors on the car for new rally, and that thing was lit. Sorry I didn't film. I didn't have an SSD or SD card in the camera. And then we also get to run to RDBLA for my Urus. That's right, there is an Urus if you haven't seen the channel. If you have, love you. That thing is pretty special looking right now, I guess you could say, and Vic has no idea it looks like what it looks like. And we're gonna be doing front tires because I'm going on fuel run on Friday. We are filming that, and it's a night run, so it's gonna be kind of sick. We're gonna get this installed. We're gonna go to RDB, have some fun, and then maybe finish the night in LA. Who knows, we'll see. Get a cam, get a cam. The interior is undone, like, what'd you say, 80%?
Everything I'm gonna take off is off, so this is it.
Oh, well, that's nice. Bolts, drills, noises. So really the only like timely thing is cutting out the carpet.
You're gonna see that even though I'm kind of blasting through it, because I've probably done 200 bars already.
Facts.
Yeah, everything's gonna add up just between cutting the carpets and the bar.
So this is where the bigger cage goes?
Correct, yep. The front loop hooks up here and the back loop hooks up to the top of the strip bar.
Look at that, I could almost do this myself.
Yep. They're just chilling there. They don't go to anything.
Oh, so they're for the factory cage probably.
I believe so.
Knocking it out. A little bit of shake.
A little bit of bait.
Facts. What is this? Cam, I think you...
Taylor.
Oh my God, what's happening? Oh my God. Bruh, we should have worn ties.
We should have.
Why didn't you tell us,
Say
Cam?
yes, bro. Say yes.
Come on. You official. Hey, it's official. We doing things here at GMG while putting in the cage.
It was a setup. It was never a cage install.
Yes, it was a setup. Surprise, bro.
We're actually selling the GT3RS.
Wait. What? Why?
A Honda Civic.
A Type R?
VTEC.
VTEC. Going.
Really good.
Woo!
Gonna do some final touches.
My lord.
Like
Crazy, crazy. Oh yeah, Taylor's not here anymore.
they're gone.
Yeah, they're gone. They had to. They left us. But dang, this looks clean. All right, now I get to go eat Chick-fil-A because I have been busy the entire time since. The Urus is now dropped off at RDB, and we'll go pick that up in a minute. But I'm sorry, I need step.
Final set, bro. I mean, besides putting in your seats.
Is that as nerve-wracking as the mirrors?
No, not at all. The mirrors. This is a
walk in the park.
this is a cake in the park, walk in the cake.
Hey, yes, potato, 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 potato. I have food. I feel much better now.
The final piece going in.
Sweet.
Difference with the car, nice and clean too.
I wonder why. Doesn't help that it's been on like 6 rallies.
We're good. She's in. Check it out, man. This is it.
Woo!
I don't know if you can see it, but
Did it ever even happen?
Look at this. This
Did
is
it
the
ever?
cleanest
That's so clean.
lines.